are not that weak. The world memories are not that weak. It's not only what the ambassador of Pakistan is mentioning it to you and reviving your memories and refreshing your memory. It has been recognized, admitted, deliberated during the session of the Congress in August 2010 by Hillary Clinton, the Secretary of State of the United States, where she says that yes, there was an aim and objective, words to that effect, where Pakistan had helped the world community in order to achieve the goals of the world community, and more importantly, Pakistan itself, by fighting against the Red Army. But what she mentioned and what is to be emphasized and re-emphasized here is that once the world community abandoned Pakistan, we started having this problem and it started aggravating. So my point here, and I want to draw this conclusion, this is a different occasion, this is an occasion of inspiration, this is an occasion where the motivation should take place. It's an occasion where we resonate the feelings, the inspiration, the valor, the vitality, the emotions among the youth and the younger generation, how to take advantage of adventurism. So Pakistan has produced, as I said, and I'm repeating, Narima Salim, and we have those potentials, and we have those people, and you would follow her. You would create the name. It needs tremendous mental and physical encouragement and exercise to achieve these goals. It's not for an ordinary person. I was myself watching very minutely the expressions of the skydiver, Namira Salim, the expression while she was on the North Pole and South Pole. Those expressions speaks volumes. You can write books on those expressions. It indicates, it resonates the feelings of the human being in those circumstances. Those human beings who can traverse through that rough and tough challenges of the world can do anything. And as the Consul General has said, it's beyond the sky. सितारों से आगे जहां और भी है, ज़मीं और भी है, आसमां और भी है. Or that's how I think we should think about it. Adventurism is not only for the self-fulfillment. Yes, it gives you a confidence. It gives you a confidence of an order there where you do not find anything impossible. Everything becomes impossible if you do these adventurism which we have just seen. And if you, the youth, the coming generation, if you feel everything is possible, then you know what happens? And you become the leader. This region becomes leader. Pakistani becomes the leader. The Arab world becomes the leader. And why not? You know, God has blessed you with the kind of wealth, talent, facilities, opportunities. Currently, according to the McKinsey report, $59 billion trade, which is at the current moment, is prevalent in this region. It's going to be $350 billion by 2020. That's the region you are living in. And you know how big is the responsibility on your shoulder, particularly those students who are sitting there, how to tap, how to avail this opportunity, how to translate it in making you the world leader and also benefiting the entire world. Not only that, 50% of the world liquidity And you know what is the world liquidity today? It's $3.9 trillion. And out of which 40% of it is among the countries oil producing, and 50% of it is in Asia. And what does it mean to the youngsters? Work hard. Increase your capacity. Increase your talent in the field of education, more importantly in the field of understanding the world. And the understanding the world is a combination, is a composition of your education, your adventurism, your charity work, your humanity work, and if you know that what you are doing for the fellow being, then it's not only you have a satisfaction here, but you excel. And that's why Allama Iqbal had said کہ درد دل کے واسطے پیدا کیا انسان کو ورنہ تعت کے لیے کچھ کم نہ تھے کرو میاں. فار دی میڈیا اردو چینلز میں صرف اتنا کہوں گا کہ یہ ایک بڑی قابل ستائش بات ہے کہ آج کے دن اس خطے سے وہ شعائیں جاری ہو رہی ہیں کہ جن شعاؤں کو دیکھ کر اس خطے کی خواتین یہ محسوس کریں گی کہ وہ بھی اس سوسائٹی میں، اس خطے میں، اس ریجن میں اپنا اثر، اپنا رسوخ اور اپنے افکار اور کردار سے اس خطے کی بہتری کے لیے کو آگے بڑھا سکتی ہیں. اور پاکستان میں پاکستانی خواتین، عرب کی خواتین اس سے وہ سبق حاصل کر سکتی ہیں کہ جس میں وہ دنیا سے کمپیٹ کر سکتی ہیں. اور کمپٹیشن ہماری خواتین کا اگر حصہ اس میں آ جائے تو یقیناً ہمارے لیے، اس خطے کے لیے، اس خطے کے بسنے والوں کے لیے یہ کتنی بڑی نوید ہوگی کہ جس میں اس خطے کی طرف، پاکستان کی طرف، پاکستانیوں کی طرف کوئی کبھی بھی کسی میلی آنکھ سے نہیں دیکھ سکتا. بہت شکریہ.
Ladies and gentlemen, one final thing from me. Thank you for coming. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen tonight. That is just part of Beyond the Polls. So as you leave the main room tonight, can I ask you if you turn to your left as you leave, if you go into the room which is adjacent to this one, you'll actually see the display of photography that supports the amazing film that you've just witnessed. Thank you very much for coming. You're an inspiration. Thank you.